The second altcoin of the day that I've chosen to showcase to you today is going to be a bit of Iota coming through there, because we're on the imminent breakout scenario, which is going to be really, really profitable for everyone involved. Obviously, go do your own research, guys. I'm not a financial advisor coming through there. Starting off on the daily, we do have a Garn fan chart pattern coming through there. You can see the levels of support that we have actually found on this zone previously. Very, very good stuff indeed. As you can see, very, very congruent sort of chart pattern in terms of support, in terms of resistance here. Very, very good at planning that out. As you can see, that very, very respected. So it's definitely something that we can be using for the future here, guys. And as you can see, that is correlating from the all-time high point to pretty much the live price now, right? And the live price in terms of the Garn fan halfway point that we do need to get over is going to be sat around $1.48 there. Currently trading at $1.34, so interesting to see if we can actually get up there. That brings me on to this symmetrical triangle chart pattern coming through there from this high of this trend here, guys. We've got a nice high. We've got lower highs coming through there, basically forming this resistance trend line to the downside here, downward sloping resistance line. Now, with that being said, you've got a higher low here from this uptrend as well. Higher low being set, higher low being set, massive level of support forming for you new traders out there, symmetrical triangle chart pattern. Now, that basically means we're looking for a breakout scenario, guys. We're looking for a breakout scenario, and we're at the top of an uptrend. So, if we've got a symmetrical triangle at the top of an uptrend, guys, it's a bullish pennant chart pattern, right? It's a bullish pennant chart pattern, and this basically means continuation to the upside, which could be very profitable. When I say profitable, I mean 24.39% profit there without leverage. That's a spot position, guys. Imagine leveraging that bad boy. Money, free money. Good stuff coming through there. So yeah, definitely something to be looking out for in terms of a breakout for Iota. Well, not today, over the next few weeks or so. Currently, we have actually found resistance off this point, considering like the start of this month coming through. But that does make me want to drop down to the shorter term time frames, because we need to discuss what we're actually seeing here, guys. We're actually in the midst of a breakout. And I did want to show you guys this as one of my altcoins of the day, just for a very good example here for a potential breakdown scenario when we are actually looking to break up. As you can see, we do have a rising wedge chart pattern, guys. Massive level of resistance from this zone here, and correlating with this downward sloping resistance line from that symmetrical triangle that we were just talking about there. Because we didn't break that to the upside, we would have actually been looking for a lovely breakout scenario here from that symmetrical triangle, and we would have been looking for this measure move like so, right? But we didn't get it, guys. We actually found the resistance coming through there. The resistance actually pulled us down to the lower side of this rising wedge. And rising wedges, guys, they tend to usually break to it tends to usually break to the downside, right? It tends to usually break to the downside, so we do need to take that into consideration here, because actually we're in a downwards breakout scenario. We do have the 200 EMA, and it is really holding us up here, and I wouldn't really be looking to short this until we lost that, because you can see the level of support that we actually have been finding on this. Very, very strong stuff there. In terms of a measure move, in terms of a price prediction to the downside here for this move for Iota there, we're probably going to be looking either at something along the lines of this, probably bringing us all the way down to around that $1.24. If this is going to be something to get involved with, as I said, not until we've cleared the 200 EMA, and it's going to be around a 6.44% gain there. And obviously, first take profit point is going to be that $1.30 there. As you can see, mass reversal point along that zone. Next take profit, I would be banging it here, because you can see very multiple bounces along that zone there. Very, very congruent. I would actually probably bang another one around there for that wick. As you can see this wick coming down to the downside here, and you're obviously very, very consolidatory zone there, and that basically will bring us to the end of the trade there. So yeah, not too bad. Staggering take profits all the way down, guys. You know the score here. I'm not a financial advisor of all that jazz. Please go do your own research before entering any of these positions. But yeah, that is going to be pretty much your Iota update in terms of a couple of breakout scenarios to be looking out for the future. And yeah, hopefully you can do your own research and make some cold hard cash. We're going to be below all major moving averages here as well, so it's very, very congruent for a breakdown scenario for Iota there. But yeah, that's going to be your Iota update.